Why you'll always find the best pecan products in Alabama. Alabama isn't just known for its legendary lane cake or its century-old Thanksgiving restaurant. It's also home to some of the finest pecans in the country. These nuts, harvested from 9,000 acres of pecan orchards, are more than just a snack. They're a culinary treasure. While most people buy pecans from grocery stores, they miss out on the state's secret weapon, locally grown. Premium nuts that taste better and grow stronger than their mass-produced counterparts. One of the biggest differences between Alabama pecans and generic options lies in their genetics. Alabama's pecan trees, like Elliot, Desirable, Gafford, Macmillan and Amling, are bred to thrive in the state's unique soil and climate. This careful selection results in nuts with richer flavor and higher oil content. Even more impressive is that these trees are naturally resistant to scab, a disease that weakens crops, and have better yields, allowing local processors to focus on quality rather than battling pests. The result? Nuts that are crisp, buttery, and full of flavor, something you'll never find in a supermarket aisle. Another key advantage is the timing of harvest. Companies like Priesters Pecans shell over 2 million pounds of pecans yearly, prioritizing the freshest nuts. These nuts are harvested at peak ripeness, ensuring they retain their creamy texture and natural oils. Unlike mass-produced nuts that sit in warehouses and lose their freshness, Alabama's pecans are picked just weeks before they're sold. This means you're not buying a product that's been sitting in a box for months. You're getting nuts that were literally on the tree, fresh and ready to elevate your cooking. Despite their quality, Alabama pecans aren't the most expensive option. Local producers pay just 2 to 3 cents per pound to the USDA for promotion and research funding, a fraction of what national brands spend on marketing. Plus, organizations like Sweet Grown Alabama help consumers access the freshest pecans during the October-December harvest season. By buying locally, you're not only supporting agriculture, but also getting ingredients that can transform your kitchen, whether you're making homemade candied pecans or a Thanksgiving pie. So the next time you grab a bag of pecans, take a moment to appreciate the hard work behind them. Alabama's pecans are more than a snack. They're a testament to the power of local farming and the joy of fresh, flavorful food.